Ancient holy water vending machine, invented 2,000 years ago. In 1st century AD Alexandria, Egypt, Greek engineer Hero of Alexandria created the world's first vending machine to dispense holy water and stop theft from sacred springs. The bronze device looked like an ornate vase near the altar. A worshiper inserted a 5 drachma silver coin into the top slot. It fell onto a balance pan, tilting levers and strings to open a valve. A precise amount of holy water flowed into their bowl. The coin then slid off, and a spring reset the mechanism, closing the valve. This mechanical system used balances, pulleys, and weights, no electricity. Hero detailed it in his book Pneumatica, influencing later automation. Like the video if you enjoyed this, subscribe for more history facts, and comment your favorite ancient invention below.